Hello, please, don't move. Don't move. Detective straight pants. Don't move. Put up your hand. All right, perfect. Now move, you know. Perfect. Welcome back to Wrld TV, a brand new movie we name The Perpetrator. But you are going, you see a movie, yo, no care. What look a bit of violence. You know, see now we're moving. We always try to put out a movie. From them time till now. Movie where we are teach people. Movie where people go through something out of the movie in a real life. So we do movie where we can learn and people can realize what them are go through. So here we're going to see a movie. Them things happen in a real life. So I want to know watch it, like, share, comment and subscribe. Send on you go share with your friend. Tell your friend, make your friend tell your next friend. Because you see a movie, you know I go love it. One more thing, comment and tell you what you like and what you don't like. You see me? Big up my local fans, them international. Big up the fans, them want to fans it. Big up the fans, them from day one. And big up the whole life people who take part in your movie. You see Tibi play a natural role in your movie. You get what me I say? But remember, the Perpetrator. Watch it and figure out it. Room, one coloring book. Boom.
Father God, I don't know what to do me this morning. Oh man, I just wake up with one bad energy. Since I go to work, then I'm not even going home. God, not even my bed me can't spread. Jesus Christ. Something wrong. Something wrong. I just can't feel so something will go wrong. Hello, good morning. Who is this? Yes, this is Alia. Yeah, my best friend named Tia. What go on? What? What you mean by? What you mean by Tia get grape? Jesus Christ, I didn't know it. Where the which hospital? Which hospital? South Public Hospital. Alright, me I come right now. Jesus Christ, I didn't know I was sitting around. Jesus Christ. Oh, my money, I didn't take up no money. Wait. Oh, wait. My money. No. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh.
Yes, Father God, thank you for your next day. Such a blessing, you know, and thank you for bringing a change in my life. For the little evil things I normally do in the past. But now we are pre-future, thank you, God. Boy, my life really changed, it's true, man. Remember the days when I go to school and my friend them apart, especially me and Tibi. And I tell you so we normally deal with the girl picking them with exchange girl. Me have this a girl this week, Tibi have a girl this week. Then for exchange it no robbery, but my life changed now. Never know that change my life and find love and figure down and get a nice woman in my life. Boy, God is the greatest. Babes, awake.
Yeah, do outside sit down on the balcony by yourself.
Morning, baby.
Uh-uh.
Sit right beside your honey.
I'm just sit down outside by yourself.
Babes, I did want to wake you up, you know, but when I left, you did in the bed sleeping, so I never want to wake you up. That's time I can get a beautiful rest.
So don't do I talk to yourself?
Well, I just feel the breeze, you know, because I wake up and I just feel a nice cool breeze, so I just sit down and, you know, just look at all the meds and just wait till I wake up. So how is your morning so far, lady? Just wake.
Alright, I'm grateful, I'm thankful, I'm working.
And how was your night?
I sleep great.
Mine was so wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, today my friend Tibi
Mm-hmm.
gonna give me a link. You understand? Cause from me in a relationship, you know, so I always talk about me and this Tibi.
Yeah,
And
best
other
friend.
virgin them who I normally there at school with.
School days, yeah.
So Tibi even know so I find love. So I not tell him when I call him over here for me to stay if come give me a check. I know when he come over here, I go surprise.
It's a surprise.
Yes, baby, it's a surprise.
You know what, be how weird you talk about TB.
True.
And back in the days when you guys used to go to school. Just now I was coming outside and I overheard you speaking.
Really?
Yes, you were thanking
never
God
know.
for all the good things that you have achieved so far. And I
Yes.
heard you saying stuff about me as well. I'm happy that your life had turned around and I'm a part of it.
Because so a long time your daddy used to stand up and listen to me.
Me come outside and me hear that me and me stop. That's
A
why I
good
said
thing
to
me
you when
never
we
say
came
anything
outside
bad.
that you were talking to yourself. Because I heard you.
Babes, you know, it's really and truly, me have something to say to you.
Yes.
Really, really important. I'm just want you to listen to me and say, babes,
Okay.
keenly. You see, this world, you understand, and the community where we live in, especially, I pay a grip in a go in the community, babes. I don't know who is these youths who are do them a foolishness, a grown and a
Grape like
yeah.
one whole long woman.
That same exact thing, baby. I don't know who is these youths are grown at nighttime or daytime and I grip off the female them. And me I tell you say, when me hear them something they bend my mind, babes. So right now, me I beg you, please. You see, if you don't have to go outside, no go outside. Just please try your best to stay inside. You understand? Me try to do all of the things them like supermarket and so on. And you know what the biggest matter? It happen right at our doorstep, you know, right now, our community, you know, this whole environment that we live in, you know, babes.
See, me not even want to sit down to think. I will focus on it. It happen all over the world. It happen everywhere. And as you look, some woman are become a victim or some minor, sometimes some adolescent, little young girl them, sometimes a big woman same way too. You
Yes.
understand? And it hard for know say as a female, me feel some type of way about it and it hurt me because me a female and other females go through this and they have to live with it for the rest of their life and it affect them mentally.
I know so that will traumatize them, but you know, the next thing, babe, like really and truly, more than never want this to happen to no females, or me know like, me don't want it to happen to no females at all, but me don't want it to happen to nobody close to me, no female close to me, no family member. Baby, these are you. Me don't even want to think about that because right now that's just make me get grief. But anyway, babes, me did have a friend when I want situation like this. You understand? Alright, so let me explain. You see my virgin,
Yes.
when I'm a virgin, I tell you say in the day with one girlfriend where the girl never rate you none at all. The girl nah no love for you and I take disadvantage of the youth. I taking things and I style him. You know, and the youth just get rid of it like he just get annoying about the whole situation. He feel hurt. Cause the girl hurt his feelings. He left the girl, you understand, move on with in life. And then the youth just start blow up with certain things like he start make more money, you know, business establish. And you know say he find a girlfriend who like him personality and then he might enjoy life. And if while he might enjoy life,
Yes.
you know saying ex just get jealous over all of that and true the youth find somebody who love him. Tell me what you think the ex do. The ex set him up.
How be? Set him up how?
Alright, let me explain. So true, the ex seem to live a wonderful life and she is not in that life.
Jealous,
So you know, jealous. So them link up and call the youth and say they want to have a conversation. Then link up and she has tell the youth saying sorry for how he treat him but then play the feelings. You know, she look a next chance in the youth life and the youth explain to him and tell himself, I forgive you, but we can't be together. You know, so she feel hurt about that now and through the youth move on and everything. She go tell police, say the youth grape her.
That's a wickedness.
That's a wickedness, of course. And you know what the hurtful thing I know? You say just because the youth never do nothing like that, you understand, and the girl when they with now feel like say him do that for true. Cause remember say, you know, a woman word is a strong word, you know, so the police am go believe the woman more, you know.
True.
And the youth go to prison
And
and go doing time and come back out now. Some of us are trying to show you babes like you see this world really mess up.
Wicked.
This
It's a
world is
wicked
terrible. World is corrupt. You have to corrupt for living in the world.
We still have good
That
people.
sound like TB there downstairs.
He's here already?
Yo, me G with the upstairs.
You tell him what time to come, please?
It's time to give me a check, man.
Backside. Bro, that's my friend, you know. Dog place so nice, see, man. Oh, Barbados.
See me, bro.
Dog, your place nice, bro. Nah, tell a lie.
Well, go on.
There, man, bro.
Number 1 G, this is my brother, you know. I'm a
That's cool.
brother that, you know.
Yes.
Where are you dealing?
Yeah, man, I say you set the place good, man.
Why, it's a good look, man.
Yeah,
So
man.
me so one can look and say, yo, TB, it's a good look too.
Yeah,
But
man.
that's time.
Octopus cook.
Oh, yo, I know far where I come from, you know. A fool.
4.
Me I tell you.
All them I say to you, bro, remember when you used to keep house party and all 5, 6, 7, 8, 20 girl.
I tell you, man, the house normally full of woman, man, and some style, but sometimes it's good for we laugh about some things that normally happen still, you know. It's a good drive, remember, boy, pass. But yo, I have one good surprise for you out on the veranda, so forward now.
Make sure one good one, you know, bro.
A good surprise,
I know my
man,
type
change
already.
it. Believe no, man. That's a life before.
Wow, new meat pan the cotton board. So we chop up that one.
TB, watch you now. Babes, this is my friend and I always tell you about TB. And TB, this is my woman Chelsea.
Oh, Chelsea, I go on. Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, man, from school years we have a link, man, and all in the left school we still have a link now, you know?
I want a slim and sexy, man. Where you find a brown, you know? Come like you know me type for a longer time, you know? Where you say? Today for you and tomorrow for me. New meat pan the cotton board for chop up, you know, my dog. What you say about that?
TB, watch you know. May I hold a conversation right there, so.
But puppy, why you can never tell me say you have a new meat pan the ends?
Just for hold a conversation, man. May a minute, please.
Oh. No, that one the nice, you know that?
listen, bro.
No, bro, me I tell you that one the nice, bro. That one there my type, bro. How you know that, bro?
Just listen to me, I say, bro. That's something I read with you, bro. Focus on something.
Alright.
I know me never, when I call you, never explain to you and tell you all of this.
Oh, so you never tell me. So we could have bring me protection. But anyway, puppy, a raw dog, you know, man. And for 3 days after, you know, or even morning.
Yo, listen to me now, brother. Concentrate on what me I say. Listen to me I say right now. As I say.
That one concentrate on over there. So
TB,
alright,
just listen up. As I say now, normally when we go to school back in the days, I would just switch girls. You have one this week, then I transfer it to my line, and then we just left them. So when I try to say now, even when we left school and then when we big stage, we still do it. We had the house party and all of them something there. But listen what I go on now. I said that girl, you see the something woman, Chelsea. You understand? Me get her in my life. As you know, I try to change my life and now. I find love.
oh, me understand, man. I get tired of your life so we can have it forever.
TB, come like you not listen to me, I say, dog. Just listen to me, I say, youth, and don't stop getting me ignorant, youth.
Talk, puppy, talk.
When I try to explain to you, I try to explain and tell you, say, the bag of foolishness them when I'm the little childish things them. We get the girl, them sex them, switch it to you, you sex them and left them, and depend them the thing there again. I find love in my life, my woman sit down right there, so Chelsea. I try to make a life where we can get a youth in the future, just meds, a reality we are dealing with right now, TB. And I not tell no lie. I not tell you what to do, you know. Because I only can give your opinion and you work with it if you want. But I tell you, say, bro, you can pray them the changes that changes in life really matter. You can fake down, find a woman and just make life and get a youth. And you know a real reason to be. And I like the girl you know love you, you know, cause you always get woman, you know. But you just have one little aggression in you, or aggression in you, where you diss the girl them. Hey girl, move, hey girl, go over there, sir. Hey that girl. And every girl like them, I think your dog. So you see when you get some girl at that make you not hold them along them and left. So all them little chat style, you have to just change up. Cause I never say if you deal with them soft, you know. You have to make them know say yeah man them don't pass same place, but at the same time you can't deal with them well. Grimy. So Tibi, you come like you not watch news. You not watch Popeyes.
Where you get TV from?
So you have YouTube where you can check out Popeyes news link. You know hear what going on in our community. Right away doorstep them things are happening, you know.
What happened, bro?
Man, them a grown and a grape off a female them youth. It stink in the street. Stink out one place. Brother, I don't like it. Them think they know dog. Them think they grieve me, you know, youth.
Puppy, right now you come like you mash up my meds, dog.
Oh, bro.
I like you them something there, bro. You know, so that every time somebody chat about so somebody get grape, dog, it come like it's a flashback to my memory, dog.
Judge
where my ex, dog, when I been through my ex, dog. You know, so dog. You never hear about that story, dog, with my ex, bro.
No, man. I know a story, man. Believe.
Where, dog, my ex, dog, to me move on in my life and find a new woman. The girl never want that to happen, you know. So she go to station, bro. I call up the name and rang, say me grape her, bro. So them think they play in my meds, bro. Every time somebody chat about them something there, bro. Bro, remember say, yo, she called me come over, you know, to apologize, you know. And I did go over there, dog. Come here, say let bygones be bygones, bro. And I go over there, bro. And she tell me say she want me back in a relationship, bro. And I never depend that, bro. And she go call police. Say me grape her, bro. What, you want a wicked woman than that, bro?
Yeah, go do time for something where you never do. Yo, I never believe that the story there, you know, dog. But you know, just that shit that dog when I bring the bad vibes.
All people in the community, bro, I look for me as a bad youth. Me a bad youth?
You're mad, man. You're a real youth. Only thing we did normally do, dog, I just full of woman back in the days. And then for me change, and me encourage you to change.
How a man used to full of woman, I was turning on and grape. Others female.
Just that shit up, bro. I'll go away, so.
Chelsea, I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm sorry for the way how I'm walking and act with them. More is childish. My apology that.
Okay,
Alright, thanks very much. Puppy.
I'm sorry about that also, babes. Really sorry about that also.
You love you, you know. It's just a reason about it. Say I'm in a serious relationship. Because when I just come here a while ago, I swear things said, me and him did share you. That's why I'm saying you and me can cut the board to chop up.
Oh, I understand this fast, too.
So I'm sorry about all of that. More is childish and everything.
Yeah, I understand.
Respect for your apology, same way, bro.
Yeah, you're going right on, bro.
Take a man for do that, you see me? Pick up yourself. One link same way, man, nothing change. Now if you talk every day, vibes never change. Brother, same way.
Alright, Chelsea, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, big up. Hey, B, you know a while ago, when we were reasoning with TB, I overheard you guys' conversation.
Really?
Almost everything you were saying. Yes, really, B. And realized that back in the days when you used to go to school and after school, you guys, both of you used to do things still same way.
No,
so,
not still same way, babes.
That
Me
after
change.
school, yes, you change, B. I mean, understand that. I learned that because of you guys' conversation. I realized that you changed your true. I'm really proud of you. I appreciate you.
Yeah, babes.
I understand boys are boys until they become man. But babes,
Real story I thought, babe.
what TB mean by new meat pan meat board for chop up?
Babes, that show that he apologize to you. And me apologize him really sorry about what he say, which he never know what go on. And me sorry for what him say. But just allow that, babes. Me want collect something on the road quick and come back. Just allow that, babes.
Babes, me I talk to you.
Babes, just allow that now, man. Me tell you already, just allow that now. Everything good.
Hurry up!
Hold on, here. I'm not here. Nah, come on.
Man, come.
Come here, calm down. Nah, come here. You're safe with me now, man. Just, come on. Go on in.
Hurry up, please. Hurry up. Like it. Me not want to go back.
No, alright, listen to me. Me now go send them back over there. That's why I go over your yard for your things them already. And the dirty things away they have in the hospital.
Me don't want them, Ali.
Boy, me go wash them out and me go burn them. But me have to wash them first. Boy, me can't do this to somebody that really grape your tear. Kind of dirty man that all if me catch a man them hold him by him and ring it. The man did that now. Listen to me. I go look about something for you, so I'm just going to make you lie down over here. I go find no one, you go stay with me, here. You lie down and chill. Nothing I do. Nobody can come.
Man, look.
Only looking can look here. We calm down, no calm down. Nobody not going to see you. I'm going to lock him, so lock the door. Come on.
No, I'm going.
See, come on, room. Nobody not in there. See, listen to me now. I'm here talking to you, you're safe for your best friend is Alia. Even though the doctor say you're not going to remember everything, but please, just don't calm down.
Alia, please.
No,
make sure nobody not in there.
Nobody not in there. Remember me? My best friend, I love you, and I'm not look at her. Watch out, that phone here. Remember, say you buy me that phone here for my birthday, you know? Remember that phone here?
Me buy it.
Yeah, you buy it. See? Yes, you can remember. Just come, one. Just, alright, let me show you. Look. Nobody not in here. See me in here, nothing wrong with you. Just come. My room, mama, come on. My yard is, nobody can jump there yourself. Nobody not in here. Come. Go on up the bed. The bed no make up it, no, but boy, we never have no time this morning. You want something to drink? Alright, me go lock it down. Me go lock it just to make you feel safe. Me go lock it. See, me lucky. You feel alright now? Feel better? Yeah, just calm down, friend. Hear me out. Boy, see how there's some young man. Come here. Just calm down. Me your friend now. See how if me ever know who do this to you. See me and my little save me just pay somebody for dash. Yo, listen to me, alright. Yeah.
Confused.
Please just calm down. Listen. Alright, mama, calm down. Listen, look at me. Me have to go call my boss and tell some lie because as the doctor called me just run out of the house, come to the hospital for you. Understand? So please just lie down. And then again, the doctor tell me say instead of like information and the statement and the evidence and whatever, he sample where they call it off here and give police, So, Jesus Christ. Tia, come here. Lie down. Lie down, Christ yourself. I go for some sheet to make up your bed and come back. I not stay long. Right there, so I go. Just lie down now. Just lie down. Lie down. So we come back here with this sheet and who that do this to you? Why people can't so wicked, no people, man can't so wicked. God. I can't believe it. I can't believe today when I really do this to my friend, I swear. Make up a bed when she wake up. Mr. Paul, I tell him a lie So me there in the hospital, I have to go send him sick leave. Then again, that don't make no sense. Me can't tell Mr. Paul no lie. suppose he's a good man, you know. But I mean, I have no job and he give me a job on Nelsie as natural herbs and I don't worry about. I mean, I have nothing all of this and him make me can't achieve it. I want a good man. See, let me get out this man and figure out work evening. I can't tell him the truth. I tell him exactly what happened. I know he will give me a chance. Yes, good day, boss. Yeah, I know I'm supposed to come in for evening shift this evening, but right now I'm looking situation, one emergency, terrible situation. When me dey here, me get one call from the hospital say me for come to the hospital because my best friend in the hospital. So when I run out, go down there now, them me know say one man, can't believe it's one man that really great my best friend. Yes, great par. Right now she traumatized, she don't remember nothing right now. So I have to go down there, go for her, and then I go over here, have a couple of things them so she can stay with me because right now her headspace not really good. She hardly remember nothing, she traumatized, so she have to stay with me right now. So I beg you, please, me I beg you if I can give me few days, just few days, so she can get back on track. Alright, Mr. Paul, thank you. Hey, me know you're one wonderful, you're the best boss me ever have, you know. Yeah, man, I will be okay, sir. Me I send her them. And thanks again. Thanks for understanding. Alright.
Hello?
Who that?
Hello?
Oh, hello.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Come inside. No disrespect, you know, but...
Just 1 second, please. 1 second.
No, man.
Yeah, hello? Babes, you hear me? Babes, I'm doing some investigation right now about a case. Babes, listen me, no, man. Just listen to me, I say. Remember, before you buck me, you know the job what me do. You know, say my job, me out at night and me out at day. Why you want to talk about this right now? Me and I miggle one investigation in one case. You say me now have no time for you. Babes, listen, when me come home, me just talk to you, please. Just tell my daughter and my son that I love them. We can't deal with this right now, baby. Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
What problem? Who you?
Yes,
no
ma'am.
disrespecting about who you?
Excuse me?
Who you? You come in and knock on the door and talk about babes. Who is you?
Mom, so why you no disrespect? Why you letting someone in your house where you don't sure who it is?
Because
But anyway, never mind.
Mine.
My name is Officer Straight Pants.
Straight pants.
Yes,
What kind of
Straight
name?
Pants.
Oh, you just so to be an officer. Look for you. Short pants, kerchief in there, so you look like a construction worker with this. No, sir.
Mom, let me explain something to you. If you go to a go-go club and you're dressed in G-string and you dress like a prostitute or a go-go, if someone see at the club all when you're not a prostitute or a go-go, they're gonna think that you're a prostitute or a go-go, right or wrong?
Yeah, but then I have to think so.
That is very
I
correct.
think so. I'm just there for party and enjoy myself.
That is very, very correct. But question again, if me go in our community, I look for a fugitive or a garrison, and me dress like this or me dress now, short pants and socks, and a Rasta man, what you gonna think? You're gonna think I'm a gangster, right?
Yeah.
That is how you catch somebody with gangster them. And one more thing, you see when me catch gangster, you see when me not catch them with a gun, me give them one. And when me give them one, me just dealt with them. But anyhow, never mind. My name is Officer
Straight pants.
Straight pants.
Alright, sorry about that.
Yeah, and if you don't believe me, this is my ID.
But I tell me not see that.
Anyway, as me say, my name is Officer Straight Pants.
Alright, Officer Straight pants.
I was at the hospital few hours ago. Yeah, and the doctor told me what's going on with your friend. 1 second, please.
If your pants straight, me no want to see any lean, you know. I don't want to see any.
Alright, your name is Ali, alright?
Yes.
And the person that them grape, her name is Tia, right?
Yes.
Okay, so as me said, my name is Officer Straight Pants. So
Okay.
the doctor gave me some information to come and investigate the matter.
Well.
And before we go to that topic, a lot of case we kind of get the last past month about the situation. I don't know the person who go around and deal with this violent act. You get what me I say? I abuse, I take disadvantage of the female. A lot of female come from work, going to work at them home, and I don't know who I go home. I go around the place, the community, and grape off the people, the female. Oh, that is so
Very tragic.
My God.
Yes, very tragic.
But anyhow, where is Tia, please?
Right now that she asleep, she don't really feel good, she traumatized. Me barely could get her in her house. Without she has searched over to find out if nobody there here. She hardly remember me, her best friend. Me and her come from school days, she don't remember. Nothing she don't remember. So now she asleep, I try to make she calm down herself.
Alright. So
I wouldn't mind if I can come back.
So question, Tia is how much?
Tia is 27 years old.
27-year-old.
Yeah.
Which part she work?
You know, say me and her already have the same job, but as me say, she did at the day off she depend. She never did work at the time. Work done nail see as natural herbs.
Nail see as natural herb. That's
Yes.
Mr. Powell, right?
Yes, but me work with Mr. Powell. Tia work with the people that would do shipping company part like package and so on.
Okay. So what Mr. Powell business all about? I think
Herbs. You have meal support. You look like you don't do good with one of them, you know.
No, I'm okay. I'm very okay.
Anyway, you have antivirus, you have belly fat flush, what heap of things. So cancer, sugar, them is something they have for him.
Alright, just a minute, 1 second about the investigation. Mr. Powell. So him do delivery overseas, him send shipping overseas for client.
Yes.
You know, me
But
have
them the question is not relevant.
no, because me have a friend. Yeah, she a think about too. So alright, back to Tia now. Which part you work?
Nail sales, natural herbs.
Oh,
Just
you
go
work.
River Crossway from Total.
Oh, just check say and tell me some lies, so me have to just try if you cross question the
Come
case.
look like a liar to you.
Alright, so where the incident take place with Tia?
And she a go in.
When she a go in? So at her house, right?
She never reached completely
In her
here.
house.
In her bush she happen.
And the doctor tell me, and also Mira talks that Tia no come back to herself as yet, and she dramatized. So you bring her,
Traumatized, not drama.
yeah. So you bring her to the hospital, from the hospital,
You
and
bring
take her home.
No, she there here with me now. Me carry her over yard and she create excitement. She don't want to go in her yard. So I just take up some of her clothes and carry her over here come stay with me.
Oh, so that's your place.
Yes.
Very nice place.
Me know. Thanks.
Alright, so she's inside right now.
Yes.
So can I talk to her and see if she can remember certain things?
You want to try to talk to her?
Thank you very much.
Okay, no problem. This way, please.
Lead the way, please.
This way, please.
I'm a police. I don't like people behind me.
So where the officer?
The pants tight, so I release it. Lead the way, please.
You can't walk here, so you know. Watch her. She not in here.
Where is Tia? How?
It look like she wake up and go in.
She at the bathroom?
Maybe. Let me look. You can't come, officer.
Oh, she in the bathroom?
Yeah, Tia. Open the door. Shut the door. See her here. Come on. Ready? No, I want officer. He not there no.
Tia? Tia?
No, I police officer. I'm come if you
Tia?
talk to you about what happened.
Tia? My name is Officer Straight Pants. Straight Pants? That's your friend? Alia, right? The doctor, please. Alia, you know that she's paranoid and everything. Just bring her a little closer. Just talk to her.
Alright,
It's okay. It's okay. Tia, it's okay. Look, Tia.
He not trouble you.
Tia.
He not trouble you. He not trouble you.
1 second. Watch me closely. Tia.
He not trouble. Alright.
Tia. It's okay. No, it's okay.
Leave it.
No. Listen. Just trust me. Believe me. Tia. It's okay. Tia.
See, he not hurt you. See, he's not going to hurt you. Calm
Tia.
down.
Work with me. Watch me on. It's okay. Police. So
Calm down now.
you're Tia, right? You was at the hospital, right? Alright, that's okay. You're doing fine. You remember what happened to you? It's okay, no.
Yeah, make this difficult here.
Alright, I understand. Alright, tell you what. You have my number already.
Yes,
Soon as she remember anything, please just call me.
okay,
Cause whatever information she have, whatever she remember, it really can help me in this matter, in this case. We can catch the person who go around and I take disadvantage of the female. Okay? Tia, have a nice day here. I promise you.
Just one.
Tia, I promise you. May I catch a person who do this to you here?
Yeah, come here. Officer, I'm tell her how you go there. She paranoid, she traumatized, she don't know what to do.
Tell you something. You see, I'm up on the force, you know, the station, my job with me I do almost 20 years right now. You understand? I never want to turn the police. My mother forced me in the force. And to be honest, by doing that and come a police, I don't regret it. But the point where I say, I go through a lot of cases. But what I say, and this case is a very, very serious case. So you have to be around her 24/8, 44/7, and 252. Then you have to be around her. Because it's a matter like this, I see female hang themselves, jump off a bridge.
No, man.
Just because of what she had got through. So you have to be around her with a friend. And I say, I have my number, please. Soon as you remember anything, just call me.
Alright.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Can't believe this is news. I just say on my phone and Alia text me and say, how could I really grip Tia youth?
Have a nice day, yeah.
To the girl with pole.
Yes, boss.
Officer
Tight pants, straight pants.
Officer straight pants.
Tight pants, straight pants.
Are
No
you
disrespect.
Alia boyfriend or?
No, I'm not. Alia boyfriend. As I say, I'm a police.
Yeah, I realize that, man, but I first me see one police in our jeans pants.
Yeah, first to everything, you know. Sometimes I first to see Satan give Jesus Christ an invitation to come and help. To come change some of my people.
Sure,
But anyway, no disrespect. Who are you to Alia? Or Tia?
Alia friend, but me and Tia is very closer.
1 second.
So me get a little.
Yeah, Alia friend?
Yeah, but as me say, me and Tia is very closer than Alia.
Oh, you and Tia close?
Yeah, so Alia text me just see the message from
Alia
the company
text you?
road. Yeah, I'm over my yard, me I left from.
Hold on.
Okay.
Over here you left from?
Yeah, cause me did left. My girlfriend over me yard come on the road.
Yeah.
Go do some business.
What's your girlfriend name?
Chelsea. Yeah, so me just see the message while me on the road. Where Alia text me and tell me say my best friend get raped. Girl best friend, which is Tia.
That is a serious situation for your girl
So
child.
right now my mind just
and your best friend is Tia, right?
Correct.
So how long you and Tia?
Me and Tia are friend from where I go to school.
From school?
Yeah man, from where I go to school, me know her, I'm a G. Like, me never look her it. No, I just me G.
Alright, Tia is a good person too, what you think?
Of course, Tia is a good person.
You know about him last relationship?
Yeah. Tia is just a girl who she don't really run down them the thing.
Alright, in a year herself, she never complained to you, say she come from work or go work and no man try to approach her, look her, and she resists, or no man threaten her or nothing?
No, she never tell me say nobody threaten her, but you know she a woman, so man always a go look her.
She's a very nice person. You think no one, you know about no one you can think about will do this very serious, dangerous act to her?
No man, if me didn't know nobody like that officer straight pants or tight pants, me bring them into the station long time man, or me slaughter them man.
How long in the community? How long in the community?
Long time man, in the community I grew up man,
So you must heard about the violent aqua go around where the man them are go around and I take this advantage.
Yeah,
and I grape the female and I pan papa and all those
yeah,
things.
man, even this morning me I tell one of my virgin and Eva tell me.
Your virgin?
Yeah, man.
What's your virgin name?
A virgin?
Yeah.
They call him Tibi.
Tibi?
Yeah, man.
You live in a community same way?
Yeah, man, same community. Me just tell him, say, yo,
Tibi and
grape in a
Tia friend? Or they are not too close, or are they close?
They are not too close, but all of we go one school.
Alright, tell you what, my number is 52 82 21 95. That's the first part. 52 91 31 52.
So what's
the second part? 82 250. I'm not about 500 going around about and come back to 61.
Oh, you have so much number?
I new number, the new phone name.
Alright, so me good to go. Come on, go check.
So if anything, please me I beg you. Nice to cooperate with the police.
Alia!
As anything, please just call me.
Alright, officer.
Alia, I was just talking about Puppy Dan, right?
Yeah, man, Puppy Dan, man.
I was just talking about Puppy Dan about the case.
There, man.
Have a blessed day.
How can I message that on my phone, man?
Sorry,
oh, God,
please.
man.
Support them here. You're too close, now you grab my firearm.
No, officer, nothing like that, man. I'm a decent youth, man.
I force me as the rest of the police.
What kind of clown that? Come in a soccer right now, Tia. Important. Come on. Jesus Christ, man. Me tell you about them a great fire, you. Alia, yo, me say me care. You know, say over me yard, me there. And me left from over me yard. Me tell me woman say me I can't deal with something in the town. And when me reach in the town, because Western Union me don't go in, and me see the message from my phone when you text me.
Yeah,
Me shock, me have to run come over here.
You don't want to see how she look.
Oh God,
she
man.
Paranoid. You know what? You see how the police come here, look well.
Officer straight pants.
Yes, man, if you pull on him gun in my hand, and when you pull on him gun in a ground, you're not paranoid. Just stand up yesterday.
Yeah, man, no problem, man.
Tia?
Whoa. Come there and tell me one say me no want this happen to nobody close.
Your boy best friend come. Your boy best friend come.
My boy best friend.
Yes, you have a boy best friend. Puppy Dan. You remember Puppy Dan?
Tia, come man, a Puppy Dan, man. Your boy best friend, man.
A Puppy Dan.
I mean, man.
Are your best friend, your boy best friend?
Come on, I mean, you remember me? We normally go to the same school. Normally go South Primary. And then we go Green Island High School. I mean, man, Puppy Dan.
Puppy Dan, just eat that.
Oh, God, man.
You know how this thing goes. Alright.
Yes, man. I mean, man, everything's so alright. Traumatized, bad man.
Alright, come back. May I come there, puppy?
No problem, man.
Come, alright, come.
That's how you.
Yo.
I wish he that grape a boy do this, man. Eh? This a man enough to get locked up in a prison, you know, when they hold him, you know.
Hey, right now, if me find
Then
him,
if you mash him up and beat him before they put him in a prison, man.
Say, Puppy, I'm here about him, myself not even feel good.
Yeah, then you could have think to them to a friend.
Well,
Which group of boy you think
You
that's
know
a
what,
fool and yo,
me not trust a friend though.
what that?
Tibi.
No, Alia, man, not say that, man.
No,
Not say
just
that,
hear
man.
me out, just hear me out. Remember saying they get caught up in a little mix up with him and ex, you know, when ex and grape him, you know.
Alia, no, man, no, Alia, man, oh God, man. You know me not parried nobody do them
Yeah,
mess with
no.
them, man. Me not like grape, you know, Alia.
And like say, me I say him, but right now, my brain are running wild. Me I think about anything,
Alia.
anything, cause
I don't know if you did know a full story what take place with my friend, you know, but let me explain. You see, TB ex did a deal with him away. You understand? He never want him none at all, mash up in feelings. So TB left her, you see me, move on with in life, he start to earn a lot of money in business, I go good. So you see, through the girl, see all of them think they shouldn't did it when he youth a flourish. So the girl called him over fear yard. So he want to apologize and so TB move on and get another female, respect him. So TB go over there now to hear what him say, which TB never want to go, you know. So they go over there and when she apologize and he tell her saying accept it, then she say oh she want a relationship back with him and he say no. So you say when that happen now, me say the girl go a station like the girl grieve she not get TB and she not get the money spending pan what the girl like get. So me say she go a station go tell a lie upon him, but me must say woman red stronger earlier.
yeah, but I like say me I tell a lie upon him, you know, but you have
Just
to
take that
understand.
out of your brain,
my best friend. No, put yourself in my shoes, puppy. Your best friend get grave. And you know, say your friend, your boy best friend, you have a friend when you call upon and something. My head I go run wild now.
Yeah.
My imagination I run all over the place right now. I think about everybody. But you say true because you know say you're my friend, I mean that's why I feel your head there for me. For your name there for me more, right?
No man, but no put that on the G man. Alia, as I tell you before, you see TB is nobody like that. You see me? You know me no parried grape. Because me all tell all my woman this morning, say yo, just stay far from fire road because I pay grape in a going in a community right now. And that me I tell for me woman this morning over me yard, you know.
What are they? You say, woman.
Yes.
Probably then you have a personal woman.
What you mean?
Jesus Christ.
Me change my
Probably
life
then
right now.
you. But you also have woman, and take woman like how bicycle ride pan road and how step nail.
Well,
You.
yeah, a different thing me happen right now. Future.
I'm glad for you. I'm glad that you change your life.
But-
I'm glad, man. Listen me now, no. Probably you know say, me don't want violence per se, you know.
You're a good girl,
And you know
Alia.
say me I work and me I save my money.
Of course.
You see right now, if you know no strap there sell, one by one. Because if my friend thing, nah go so. And you see, even if you don't know when on there sell, they have 500,000 I'm willing to pay anybody.
Alia, the same thing me I pray to, you know. Because I don't want a boy feel like so they can do my friend that, you know. And then I get hurt, you know. But you see at the same time, she is not a violent person and that don't fit you. You see me? And that don't fit me either for evil to be violent. So right now,
No boy, don't
that
feel
I will
wrong
left
with
it
my friend.
in the police and what man name?
Officer
Officer Straight
Straight
Pants.
Pants.
Right now I don't even think I'm a police. But just left it in a police hand. Make the police and deal with it. And just keep me posted and let me know what go on with you.
Yeah, man.
So now say alright, big up here.
Yeah. Papi, come here, 1 second. Me you say you take your woman's serious relationship
Yeah, man,
serious
true,
now.
true.
So what happened to Tibi?
What you mean I'm to TB?
Tibi not taking relationship serious, you not following your footsteps.
Well, you know, so we tell you the truth, Jean have a serious relationship right now in our girlfriend at the moment. Because remember say, his girlfriend did left him when he gone to prison when he ex got tell lie upon him. And kind ex did feel like he was that type of person. So Jean have no relationship at the moment.
So you can't get no woman now.
Remember say G did a person when normally deal with the girl them bad like drunk or eat that girl. So you know say some of the girl them just not pre-fame with. Alia. Alia.
Puppy, you not find that suspicious?
Alia, I know where you are pre. Don't pin that pan to be Alia. But we not talk about that. Because you know me not par with no grip or nobody where do nothing wrong. I not like them thing there.
Alright.
Bother with that Alia man. Just take that off of you man.
Me keep it posted.
Alright, love your sis.
Yeah, love you.
Alright.
Right now, Me not give nobody no chance. If I still do it,
You know, for me there, yeah, me a talk you. Me a talk, so me no want to hear none of them a foolishness.
B, I want to you.
You know, say up on the road me go, and me a hear some my girl best friend get grip.
Anyway, B, me that talk to this man and I walk out. What TB mean by meat pan cotton wood we get cut up? You take one and him get one.
Chelsea, no one of the time for that, Chelsea. Me come on me and talk, say one female get grip, my girl best friend and you bring in that. Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. Let me explain something to you, because I never explain. You see, this morning, when I call Tibi over here, I never tell him directly when I call him about. So when Tibi come over here, Tibi was so surprised. But before that, in our past, when me and Tibi normally go school, and when we left school, we was a person where me have a girl this week, and then me get Tibi her next week, and then we just left her. So we just have one bag of girl, keep one bag of house party. You know, they at school, we just full of woman and deal with the girl and bad.
Oh.
Then me end up when me meet you, and me meet you, you're just so fabulous. You just grab my mind, you just change everything about me. And me just get in love with you. So when Tibi come over here this morning, so me never tell him to me meet you. So Tibi just feel like say I the same puppy than this, but him never know that me change. So that's why I hear my passing place and me realize me step forward and me explain and me tell him say I'm not that puppy than again. What I was in my past, I'm a change man now. Them time me that boy, I'm a man now, me a man now. Okay. So at that time I hear me put him in a place.
That's why me overheard over this, so I tell him say if he mind himself and if he serious kind of take what you say serious. Babe, me appreciate that. Right? You really genuine. Me appreciate you and me appreciate that. Right? But anyway, who you say something happened to now?
Babes, I'm a girl best friend, Tia. Upon the road, I go man forget the money at Western Union and when I check my phone and I then I town, I see a message from Alia, which is Tia, girl best friend.
B, calm down, hold on, Tia. Which Tia, your girl best friend where you always talk about?
Yes, B, I explain.
What happened to her, B?
She get grape.
She get grape when, how? Who could have do something like who Ricky so do something like that, B? Who? Why somebody that if you do something like I same thing, it's not outside and talk to me about if you avoid the road, if we have to go up on the road, B. What make them not do something so cruel to her?
Babes, to tell you the truth, right now, my mind laughs, like me just paranoid right now, my head mad, my head not good right now. Me can't. She over her best friend Alia. Alia try deal with her, cause right now she traumatized. She even remember nobody. Cause when I go over there, as me a step in pan the veranda, me see one policeman. Him say him name Officer Straight Pants. Me didn't even know say policeman a wear jean pants and say my rasta.
That means it's serious, bad be serious.
Yeah, be a two gun the policeman and funny me. That
them.
situation looks so serious. Him man ask me one bag of question. Who is me? How long me know Tia? If Tia have a boyfriend who want me par, me didn't even tell the policeman say me did have a friend who did end up in that the situation there.
But you will have one friend who stay like that?
No, B, that's just something I say. You remember this morning with me on the veranda? Yeah. And me explain and I tell her say me have a friend who they get caught up when ex tell a lie on him. And Tibi me that talk about. Yes, and Tibi me that talk about.
Tibi, which Tibi?
The same Tibi that come here this morning.
Your friend Tibi we come here this morning?
Yes, babe.
We introduce me to?
Yes, him same one.
B, you have one friend like that and you introduce me to
no,
your
babe.
friend?
Nothing like that. No such a man.
B, that's why Tibi look for me so I can chat about meat pan cutting
no,
board cut up.
Babes, listen no get that wrong. That cutting board business I when we go to school. Me not go have nobody around me like that. And you hear me a bun out that so Tibi is not that type of person.
So B,
remember the story when me I tell her this morning saying ex set him up. She never want the ex and the ex female is better than ex but tell lie on him.
So B, all you sure say ex that you like?
Babe, that's just something I say no. Let's not go on that topic. As me tell her before, Tibi is not that type of person. And we don't know who do it and it can be anybody do it. So what I want you to do right now, baby, is just please be safe. If you not have to go outside, don't go outside because this thing is going hard. A lot of grip are there around. We don't know who do it, baby, okay? Just please.
This too much to me in one day.
Everything go alright, babe. Right now, I just stress out right now. I hold a shower and just try.
Fresh up.
Yes.
Alright, babe, go on.
Yeah, come with me. Oh, have a shower, come.
Can't believe this.
Yo, Timmy!
What go on, bro?
Boy, you're from yesterday, I go and check you, but me I tell you, say, I just mash up your wood.
I'm tired enough.
Over your yard, I say, I just come forward, you know. And I see you out there, so. Yo, you don't hear the news?
Which news?
You don't hear what going on with Tia?
No?
You remember Tia though? Tia where we and her normally go to school.
That a tea with thick.
Yeah man, I know say you and her never have a close bond. And me and her bond normally closer. You know he said then grape Tia yesterday. I think yesterday happened.
A liar tell puppy.
Me not tell no lie, brother. Me could have come and do false accusation.
And I write up let's tea there. And me not here.
Brother, me say yesterday. You see after you left over here yesterday. And same time after you left, me did a reason my woman liquor. Then me tell my woman say me I go in night town, go deal with something. You see when me reach in night town, me even get to deal with them, I deal with. And my phone me look pan, me see one message come in. Alia text me and I tell me say yo, my best friend. Then grape her and in your van yard kind of day a hospital with her and something. A hospital call her, get her phone number and call her.
Then if she dey a hospital, puppy. It's serious them.
And that me I try show you.
Lord Jesus Christ, me didn't even want to talk about that, you know, bro. Cause me ex-frame with something like that, you know, bro.
Tibi, I know a most dangerous thing. You say me go over there go look for her cause she have a alley yard. Me I tell her say Tia move away like Tia does traumatize. Aliyah try explain and tell her say you a puppy than a talk to you, a puppy than. And like she not give nothing at all. She not answer to me. I say like scared.
What on the puppy then? Alia who again? That
You remember Alia?
That I big batty girl that I which is Tia friend.
She same one, Aliyah man, blown thick Aliyah.
Oh.
I remember say man Tia best friend, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, me I tell her say, before me reach in the house, when me reach on the veranda, me see one policeman. And the policeman ask me some question and ask me who me parried.
Well, so while I go police.
And that me I try tell the man ask me one bag of question. When me I tell the man say a Tibi me parry kinda ask
Hold
me.
on there, puppy. So really police have information about me?
Tibi, I pick up for you, you move like you're guilty.
You
so.
move like you're informer,
No,
you.
you
Police are power with.
Brother, listen to me, I say no, the policeman ask me one bag of question. My name, who am I woman, who am I to Tia, who am I to Aliyah, how long me know Tia, the man just ask me one bag of weird question. He say name officer straight pants. I say man I tell me in a youth.
Then puppy, that tell me say me a friend, bro. And you give police information, bro. You're informer.
What you mean by me a informer today? Oh you move so Gigi? You move like you know something me don't know. A different me did a different thing, you know. What you mean by informer?
Puppy, I told me ex-woman frame me for something me never do, you know, bro. Me I'll go spend some time at prison, bro. You know I feel better for me and walk in the streets, dog. And people are frame things for me. But me a graper boy, I mean, you know me as graper boy.
I don't know you as them thing that be now. That me a try to say that me a tell Aliyah them, cause you walk on and now. True Aliyah know say that in a situation like that, where your ex go tell lie upon your truth, she can't get you. Aliyah nah fear you know. But what she a try to say, she a wonder if a you grape Tia. And me a fear tell Aliyah say, no, take that out of your mind, take that out of your thoughts. Tibi now do them best something there. Me a fear put Aliyah in her place you and I tell her, say, no. She all want give me money. And I say 500,000, I say me can get a gun for buy FR. Or me can get a hitman, cause anybody will do our friend this if he lie down.
Then puppy, you feel say me would I really do that? I mean what here so long.
Tibi, who does that?
You does that. I mean people are take this advantage of me. Say me a graper, bro.
Tibi, me never tell them not like that, bro. Me did they defend you, bro. Me I tell Aliyah so she can't think that you is not that type of person. What you mean?
You not defend me, bro. How you defend me?
Tibi, you see where you not try understand. You see just because Aliyah know say it now a situation like that. And me I'll explain to her, you know. Remember say some people that talk say you're a grape, you know, which you is not, you know.
You
Me have
think,
to solve it the right way.
you think I told me you so box down girl back then and deal with them some type of way and this them up your face and that man me can't get a girl. I people them in the community bad man I talk about yo me a grape a boy and make me think lily and shaky bro. So as fan today dog, me don't want us deal with me bro.
Like seriously, Tibi.
Me don't want a friendship fan.
So hold on, you not go look fit Tia then.
Yo, me nah go over there so me corrupt bro. And the whole I know over there so I see me whole tree I know.
Tibi, me can't believe say you look for me puppy than I say that Tibi. Eh? Remember y'all come over me yard bro, always you never know and you violate me woman and me still respect you from today day you can you never know. And me call you over there and never explain the right way. And you look for me and say that? Normal
Yo,
pre
me
bro.
a friend for you brother.
Good bro. Can't believe you.
Move from me get to the nice too brother. Whole on I see him over there so brother. Whole on try to bring me down. You want to look a police informer. How you feel tell police things about me?
Alia,
Watch what happened?
what go on? Oh you not call me?
Oh, you know, somebody if you call her, if you tell her say she a come around and now she a get a little bit
Oh my
better.
god, that's a wonderful news
Yeah,
to
so
hear.
up on the road me I go get some stuff here when they run out. But
So hold on, she remember things?
yes, she I remember things and let me tell you something. She I remember things now. Even one time she start remember you are first somebody she asked
Seriously?
for. And you know if one
a
thing
best
about
friend
it,
that, man.
she didn't remember say me come for her to a hospital and carry her over here go pick up her clothes and carry. When she wake up, she wonder what she doing in my house.
She really traumatized. for real.
Traumatized bad. She didn't even remember say you and the policeman they come over there yesterday. She don't remember nothing
So hold
like
on,
that.
the policeman they come to take information.
Take her statement, but true, she not remember, she traumatized and then she run up and down. The policeman said, if I call him, when somebody call him now, this man I make you know, so yes, she remember things and she remember who do it.
I lie, I would do it.
Yes, I mean what
yo,
who do
I
it
like
now.
this man they are youth.
So that's why I said me I go in there town go get something
I
before
would do
the
it. Tell me
police
no, tell me
come.
no, Ali, I would do it. Tell me. Who do it?
Your friend do it.
Which friend?
Oh, me bust a link, you know, me have one link there tell me, you know, say a TB directly do it, you know.
Tibi?
Tibi do it now.
You
When me
sure,
I say-
man?
When me I say to you, say, hey, me not trust Tibi, now you say Tibi now that, oh,
You sure, man?
once bitten, twice shy. Now you're Tibi a criminal. Me not ask Christ. Anyway,
So Alia, hold on there. You sure say, Tia sure say a Tibi grip
see me
her?
now, no? Me just wait for the police to come for Tia, you know, for care Tia go identify her who. Because Tia see her who, and my link tell me, say, make me know point blank, say a Tibi do it.
Oh, so the police have to come to make Tia clarify for Tibi for true?
Yes, I'm going to arrest Tibi and then put Tibi in front of Tia and then me
I'm
just
all confused.
know
Alia.
say a Tibi do it.
Right now, I don't even know what to believe in. I not say a liar tell her, and I don't want to say Tibi do it, because I don't know Tibi as that type of person. I just left from down here a while ago, you know. I mean, I even want to argument, you know, where I say if me an informer. So me I tell him, say the police ask me who am my par and something.
Yeah.
But by an idea, right now, I just want the police
You don't see that? You
just come for Tia and make Tia clarify, then me can say if I him or him, or if I not say go, I not say go.
You hear what you say, look while, though, look while.
Me hear what me say?
Okay, why am I worried about the police? Why am I saying, if him not do nothing, why am I play so guilty?
Alia, make the police deal with it.
Papa
Let
Dan.
the police do his job.
Me respect and rate you, you know. But me not like how you go like you want to take up for TB, you know.
No do that.
And me can't
That's a man.
see it in your ears, so you know, see I all
No,
work this
Alia,
boy.
looking at me,
do it.
I good man. Me not
me
do
can't
that,
see-
man.
you know
Me not deal with
Me I
grip.
go to the supermarket before the police come.
Me
Look, and
me just
walk
all
over
from
there
a
when time
Western
me hold
Union
him.
too. Cause me a check for my woman.
Yeah, man.
Me short here.
Yeah.
I'm glad Tia good. Thank you, God. Jesus Christ, man. I can't believe all know what Alia said to me. Me fear wonder if TB really grip Tia for you. Me no feel so. What money are there so? Some money are coming like a when maybe me a left or maybe me woman jappy. So, how are you going here, so? So money they are going. I don't understand this. Maybe I'm a woman money or maybe I feel my money drop out of my pocket. No. No, sir. I don't understand how I'm going here, sir. What am I something I do with her, sir? No, man. Babes. No, sir. Babes. Babe. What's that? No, sir. I don't understand how I'm going here, sir. Oh, my place look like say somebody robbing us, sir. No, man. This not look good. Watch out. All the jaw them pull out. And the chest jaw them. Sorry, baby. This not look good. The back door open. This look like my place get robbed. Babes! Babes!
Puppy.
Babes!
Puppy.
And I bought you with it.
Puppy.
Jesus Christ! Babes! Oh my God! Babes, I want to you. Oh God, talk to me, I want to you. Babes, come, stand up, please. What? Hey, what?
Grip me.
Babes, where say what I go? Oh, do it! Oh, do it, babes. Talk to me, calm down. Babes, take time. Babes, please. Take time, take your time. Take your time, babes, please. Babes, work with me. Jesus Christ, man, I'm going to be you. Oh, please, talk to me.
Yeah, you're gonna open and I walk in. I'm upstairs and I'm thinking in you. And yeah, one son of my time I look me and I make it one lean and
Father God! Yes, go. You just see who? You just come inside, boy, and knock you out.
no advice.
No advice?
Yes, yes.
Oh, God, man. I look how me and tell yourself you don't go around and you stay in your yard.
I go outside.
Jesus Christ. Come, babe. Everything gonna be alright. Take your time, babe. Sorry, me say to them, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about this.
Sorry.
I can't believe this to backside
Sorry,
you.
tell me to go outside, be in the big swing, I'm gonna go outside.
I'm not next to the babe, it's not your fault.
So
what exactly happened?
By the time I wake up in the on top of me and grab me.
Yes, listen, I'm not next to you. It's not your fault. So I don't want you to feel like some big shit, just calm down, babe, just lie down.
Go outside.
No, babe, you're not for you not tell me no lie. For you just lie down, babe, please. Rest, sit back. Wait, babe, wait. God. Just cry, wait. Just lie down, babe, lie down. Lie down. Me make one call, babe, there. Me make one call. Why?
Why you go and leave me?
You know, babe, it's right, so. Why you talk to me? Talk to me. What happened? Talk to me now.
Feeling on top of me, I have 2 guns in inside.
You have 2 guns inside?
Yes, you have 2 guns on the 2 sides.
Me come, babe.
Puppy, no, puppy, no go, puppy, no go and leave
me. Me now go, babe, right I do, yes, right I do.
Lock the door, puppy,
hold on, babe. Me now go know, babe, okay? Me now go know. Listen, babe, me now go know, let's say, okay? And right here, so me call the police. Hold on, baby. Christ, I can't believe me now go know, babe. Just stay right. See, do right here, so. You hear, babe? Right here, so me there. Officer Straight Pants.
Yeah, hello.
Me have an emergency right now.
Hold on. Calm down. I'm not hearing you.
Officer.
Who is this?
This is Perpetrator, the big belly youth.
Fuck that.
Yeah,
no information.
You remember the big belly youth when they did come over Aliyah yard?
Okay,
when Tia get grip and you had to talk to me on the veranda.
Hold on. Calm down.
Come.
Tia and Aliyah the best friend, right?
Correct.
Tia get grip.
Yes, officer.
Okay, so what happened to you now?
Officer, me there over 12th Street in Savlama. Me at one upstairs house, officer. The painting a brown. When you come at 12th Street and ask which part Puppy than there.
Hold on.
Yes.
You are the person who
come, babes. Correct, on the veranda. Veranda.
You give me information already about to live when me not question you.
Yes, officer.
So what's the problem? What's the problem?
My girlfriend get gripped.
What?
My girlfriend get gripped.
Alright, me on my way. Right now.
You fought on 12th Street lane, I can't last.
Okay, alright. Right now, I'm on my way.
Yes, officer. Jesus Christ. Babes, may I come here, babes? Aliyah, come over my yard right now, please. Me have an emergency, Aliyah. Chelsea get grip. My girlfriend get grip, Aliyah, please. Come over me, heart, please. Right now, Aliyah, please, may I beg you. Yes. As I said, just calm down, please. Me call the police. The police are forward, okay? Just please, when the police come, just please cooperate to the police, alright, babes? Just calm down. I understand what you go through right now. I understand, babes. I'm there with you. Babes, as I said, just hold on. Here, babes, just calm down.
Pop it on!
Yes, officer! Officer, straight pants! Me a come, babes.
Pop it on!
Officer,
How are you inside?
I'm my girlfriend, officer. I'm my girlfriend.
Why matter? You sure sir you alone there?
Yes, officer. I'm alone there, officer. I'm my girlfriend.
What happened to your girlfriend?
She get grip, officer. See her inside.
What?
I made her tell up on the phone, officer. See her here, officer. Oh, I'm to you, officer.
Jesus Christ.
Ready for deal with the matter for find out what going on, officer?
What's your name?
Her name is Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Chelsea Howell. Babes, I want to you. But mine drop off of the bed, babes. Come here, mine drop off of the... Want to you, babes. Come here so the officer talk to you while you're around.
Chelsea.
Come now, babe. What? What happened, babes? Come now. The policeman want the information.
Chelsea.
Babes, what happened? What happened?
Alright.
Officer, here what going, officer. You remember when they did come over with Tia there? I see so Tia did go on, you know. I go on traumatize.
Because I wish she got through, man.
Let me go outside and talk.
So tell me something, Puppy Dan.
Hold on, babes. May I come?
So anybody will do this, and then pull up the place and all that, step outside, please.
May I come, babes? Officer straight pants. Alright, let me explain and tell her what I go on. May I tell her from what she tell me?
Hold on. Why may I tell you? I get tired of this.
Oh, you never carry notebook?
No. Or someone have phone in my iPhone. Me tired for you come around and I take information about the female of my people.
May I come here, baby?
Close the door. Me tired for you come around and I investigate the female of my people. Go around and I grape off. That no look good for police force and they want to come like we don't do a job, you know.
Officer, I'm sick and tired of this right now. Other day I'm a friend, now I'm a girlfriend.
So, boy, I just don't understand why so much bad stuff happen to you. Why you are your best friend, Tia? You understand? And now your girlfriend.
Officer, may I tell you the truth, you know? I'm tired of them a group of you, you know, more you find them and we slaughter them, you know, officer, and then you lock them up, you know. Anybody will do it, you know.
Yo.
Then if you deserve wickedness, then if you get wicked treatment before they go in a jail, you know, officer, may I tell you the truth, you know?
Puppy Dan, you know why me in the force and Ras? Because Rasta mix up in a bangarang.
True.
Me don't have no friend at the station, you know. The only friend me have in a Puppy Dan and my gun, you know. And Jesus Christ will protect me on the road, you know. So as I say now, me here tell me, you know, you saw around 3-4 hours ago the incident happened.
Officer, I never call you and tell you that because I didn't even know how long ago the incident happened.
Well, it must be a misunderstanding. Alright, anyhow, where's up now?
As
Tell me from the start.
I left this morning. When I left, my girlfriend said she had to do some laundry.
You left her here to do laundry?
Right. So, the reason why I left is because I go pick up her money at Western Union.
One second. So, who and her you leave here when you leave?
She alone.
She alone?
The Almighty God.
So God, you not pray or what?
Me no know. I Jesus Christ, Father God.
Alright, cool. So when you leave, the grill, the door, anything we leave open?
Well, as me say, she should wash, but when me leave, me lock the grill. So maybe she wash, she open the grill.
So meanwhile she wash, the washing machine was making noise. So if someone break in and enter in tune here.
Officer, that's all I'm give the statement now.
Sorry about that.
Yes, as I say, the reason why I got a Western Union today is because yesterday when I left to go Western Union, same time I reach the town, I get a text from my phone.
Hold on, how much money you pick up at Western Union?
That not nothing to do with the case, Officer straight pants.
Hold on. Hold on, me a investigate. Officer Straight Pants investigate. If you leave, you go pick up some money at Western Union. You tell no friend or nobody say you're going to pick up some money at Western Union. Because suppose you miss and tell someone say you're going to pick up some money. People can feel like you're rich and come and break in and don't see you and take disadvantage of your girlfriend and grip him.
No, not like that.
So
Officer,
let me
never tell
make me do my
nobody.
job then. Okay, continue.
Yes, so as I say, officer, I get a message from my phone where Alia tell me say.
Hold on. Alia is the same Tia friend, right?
Right. Alia tell
Strong
me
body girl,
right.
big body.
Alia tell me say Tia get grip. So comes me run come over Alia yard now to check on Tia. So that's why I never collect the money yesterday. So today now.
So hold on. Tia, Alia don't mention nothing about Tia if she a come on or anything on your talk.
Tia, come on, Tia.
Tia is coming on?
Yes.
Alia don't.
Alia said she call her.
Maybe she don't call me. That is wonderful. Now I can get to the bottom of all this. Continue.
So, today now, that's the reason why I go Western Union. So I dip on the road and after I left Western Union, I talk to my friend Tibi.
Hold on. You know say Tibi, I do some digging on Tibi file. Why you lie about Tibi? What you did not tell me that Tibi get caught up in one situation when girlfriend saying grape him and he go to time at prison. Why you hide that information?
I never did know say it necessary to tell her at the time, but I'm sorry about that.
When you're giving police, listen me. When you're giving police information, don't hold back nothing.
Babes, may I come here talk to
the least information or you hold back can be the exhibit 1 to the case.
Officer.
Alright, continue.
As I tell him, I never know said it important. But me and Tibi didn't know when we catch up in a little argument.
What?
And nothing danger, officer. So we catch up in a little argument. Me see Ali at the same time, she tell me say, Tia, come on and everything.
Alright, Ali, you see Ali, right?
Right.
You know, say, why do you come and investigate the case and when me and we going to my station, me never hear you telling me nothing about Ali. Ali and Tibi have a good friendship or they don't have a good friendship?
Well, officer, me and Ali are close one.
So Tibi and Ali don't have a good friendship?
No, they're good, but me and them closer. So after that, I know me left come over my yard. As me reach in, me see money there so. Some things out there. So.
Where is the money?
No, me take up the money. Officer.
Jesus Christ, Puppy Dan.
Me not take up.
You know watch movie?
Eh?
When you see exhibit 1 and 2 and 3, don't move them off of the crime scene.
Sorry.
Me see how they hug up your girlfriend. Oh, me touch her and get information.
Officer, just say something, I say no, officer.
I continue.
You're not cooperate with me good enough.
I'm Officer Straight Pants.
Officer Straight Pants, sorry.
Continue.
So I tell her, as me see the money them, and me see some things out here so spread out on the ground.
One more thing. Remember before me leave here to go investigate about Tibi, remember to give me the money.
The money?
Yes, the money. Exhibit 1.
Officer, as I say now, so when me pull the door now, I'm going there, so I see the Chester jar open, I see some things on the ground. You see when me did that, I call my girlfriend, I can't hear her, then I hear one little crying in the bathroom.
So was she in the bathroom?
Yes.
She never inside of the room on the ground?
No. She crawl going in the bathroom because she's scared.
Jesus
I see her in the shower lie down. Her face red up like them butter bruise her and everything.
Puppy Dan.
When them a grip her.
You have a nice place, you know.
Officer.
I mean, I don't know why somebody want to come and try for break in and grip your girl. Oh my God.
I want you.
I pick up on the phone saying, then grip my girlfriend. Then grip Chelsea.
A Tia
What
this?
chance today?
Yeah, Tia. She inside.
Alia.
Yes. Yes, I tell you, sir. But let me call you and tell us that
Tia,
come on.
Tia, come on.
Yes.
So that is very nice because this gripping is getting very out of control. So I need to get some information where you can tell me if you see the person, where we can go ahead and find that person. Urgent.
Officer,
You're good.
me know who.
You know how?
Me know who and me why you lock up that drunk bro.
Come right here and talk to me. Come right here.
Me hear say you come go
Hold
check
on.
on me.
Come and tell me who. Talk to me.
This guy when you're TB and brown with the inner.
Hold on. Tibi?
Yes.
Puppy Dan, the same Tibi that we was talking about.
I must say so.
Jesus.
Officer, me have my link Chang and my source to come from Chang and then tell me say him. So more you go for TB and then you can carry her good on there.
Tia, just a minute, please. Just a minute, please.
You need me over here, officer?
No, sit here right here. What happened to your foot? When I was gripping you, you lick up your foot or something?
Yeah.
Alright. You see who, right? You see the person. Okay, you see the person. So very good. So now you can come forward and go with me over Tibi. You know where Tibi live, right? Right?
Yes, officer. Yes, officer.
Okay, so we can both go over Tibi and then you can prove say yes it's Tibi and then I take him away down to the station. Hashish to us. I want, you know, so me alone to go over there because I don't feel like him deserve run a jail and free food and free meal. Me feel like him to get 3 out of this, you know.
When you came to the station and she can't stay behind one glass, she can't look on him right now.
Alright.
You can't look on him. You can't
Alright.
smoke him. Me say, officer, just know me dust him for you.
Alright. You see it? You see I swear for your friend where you are parried in grip. Tia, your best friend. And now you see it? In go and grip your girlfriend, your best friend. Tia, listen me. Right now, me I go over TB yard, go lock him up and bring him down at the station.
Yes,
so me I go call you for you come point him out. You get what me I say? Thank you for all of the information. You do a good job. A matter of fact, Puppy Dan, you see them 2 gonna, one for him and one for myself. Give him 3 of them. Maybe me change my mind and bring him down at the station. You feel saying deserve station?
In deserve station, officer.
Yes,
straight.
Alright. I go there right now, go lock up him batty foot in the name of the law.
Bills.
Oh.
Tibi, don't run. Tibi, don't run. Tibi, don't run. Why you run? You guilty or something?
You're police. I mean, I go back to jail for not what me never do. Because my ex-woman did frame me, say me grape her, and only did come lock me up.
Tibi, when you listen and listen to me, I say good right now. Me have strong information, me have eyewitness. Tia saying see her who grape her, and you are #1 suspect. You have all your friend Puppy Dan. You go grape your friend Puppy Dan woman to Chelsea. Brother, how you can't do that, brother?
So you're sure say I'm the officer?
Tibi, you hear me I say now, you see all of your question where you ask me right now. Me need you to jump back over the wall and come and bring you down a station. Tibi, me not come here to shoot you, you know. But if me have to shoot you, me have to shoot you. Me have an extra... Yeah, man. Put up your hand in your ear. Turn around. Come right here, so. Put your hand black at you. Put your hand black at you. And don't move. Because my finger nervous. Don't move because my finger nervous.
So I love come give people bad name and lock them up for something they're not involved
What
in.
about that, man? Yeah, rampant police. Turn on. Go on.
Thanks for watching, guys. You've made it to the end of this movie. And from when I see the video here, it simply means that I want to watch out the video, right? Tell me, want to enjoy the movie? Like, literally. This is a true, well, these things are happening in a real life. You understand? I play a victim in the movie here because basically, me don't know people where it happened to. You get what I say? So, if anybody out there will go through this already or go through this right now, just pray to God. You understand? Yeah, man, God, I want to save you. God can help you. Know. Yeah, don't think about no suicide or nothing like that. Just keep it real, right? Yeah, people. So, big up all of my fans, them. Stay tuned for the next movie, right? Love you. Know.